Hi friends, I'm Foram Doshi and I'm very proud to say I'm one of the DAS alumni. Before talking about this course, I would like to show you my picture before joining this course. This was how I was, and this is my recent picture when I visited college last year. Friends, you must have heard that all work and no play makes Jax a dull boy. My case was almost similar. I was just into studies. I expected my SSC result to be above 85%, but somehow I ended at just 78%. It disappointed me so much that I didn't want to study further. My dad had reserved my admission in Mithibai College for Commerce and in some vocational course in Annam College where my other friends also got admission. But I didn't want to study. I didn't want to do regular commerce college. My sister had already done this course and was working with Reliance Industries and was earning good. So I thought to do the same course as I didn't want to study much, and this course had 5 semesters theory and 1 semester was on the job training. It was only after I joined this course I realized its importance, and today I feel it's a complete package. Like our mother who trains us since childhood that बेटा ऐसा कर, ये ऐसे नहीं करते हैं, ये ऐसे बनाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं बोलते हैं, तुझे ये सारी हैबिट्स आगे जाके काम आएगी. It's the same training we go through in this course to enter corporate world. जैसे मम्मी हमें 25 years में तैयार करती है, वैसे ही इन दिस कोर्स 10 टीचर्स मिल के हमें 2.5 years में तैयार करते हैं टू एंटर कॉरपोरेट वर्ल्ड. Whatever is needed to enter corporate world like soft skills, communication skills, technical skills, telecommunication skills, business communication skills, intellectual skills, everything is covered. Trust me friends, it's a package offered at very nominal fee. Talking about me, I joined this course and somehow started enjoying it as I didn't feel I am studying. In each semester, it's a combination of theory and practical subjects. I got my 1 week training with Pfizer Company and internship with McLeod's Pharmaceuticals Limited. We were the first batch to get internship with McLeod's and got stipend of rupees 5,000 every month. After completion of my training, I was offered job there with a monthly salary of 12,000. It was highest in our batch. With my good performance, every year I got increment of about 20 to 25% along with other perks. I did all my distance education like BCom, MCom and MBA while working with McLeod's. Also, from our batch, all the students who did this course were allowed to take admission directly in SY BCom of Mumbai University. So in 5 years, I had diploma degree, then BCom degree and 3 years of work experience, which made me stand out from all my friends who took normal commerce, MCom and MBA through correspondence and always scored first class while working with McLeod's. Though it was never easy to study while working with McLeod's, but because of the time management skills I learned in this course, I was able to do it. Once I did all my distance learning, I decided to switch and got opportunity with Abbott India Limited. Though it was on third party's role, I decided to take the risk as I had full confidence on my caliber. Not to my surprise, I got permanent job opportunity there in a year's time. Though there were many people who were working with Abbott from last 5 to 9 years, I got selected for permanent roles. This course trains you to set career goals and gives you confidence to achieve the same, which makes you stand out from the crowd. Recently, I got promoted to higher grade during lockdown, and today I am earning almost equal to my dad's salary, who is manager in reputed bank. This all has happened just because of this course. Had I taken normal college for BCom, I would have been struggling for job today and with very less experience and skill. Also, I would like to share in current lockdown, I started my own brand Nurture Natural with very limited handmade beauty products which earned me profit of rupees 10,000 in the very first month. This too has indirectly linked with this course as it teaches you entrepreneurial skills. Lastly, I would urge all the girls who wants to do commerce should opt for this course for their betterment. Thanks and happy life ahead.